All right, so let's turn this into a clickable link. We're going to use an anchor tag before and after the image. So just like this text right here that's contained inside the anchor tags, you can make an image inside anchor tags. So I'm going to open the anchor tag here. I'm going to take the close anchor tag and move it to the end of my image. That means that now my image tag is contained inside of that anchor tag, so anything inside of it will be a clickable link to go somewhere. I'm then going to go ahead and grab the link from my website or my video. If you didn't already have it in your clipboard, go back to here and I'm going to make that the href. So I'm going to go inside the parent A tag, just like I did before, do an href equal to, and then paste that link in. And then that will make this a clickable link. You can see now when you hover over it up in the preview, it is a clickable link because your cursor turns into a little mouse. Okay, I'm going to go File, Save All. I'm going to open my website on the web. Not a clickable link because I need to reload it. And now if I hover over it, it is a clickable link, and you can see where it's going to take me in the bottom left here. If I then click it, it takes me to YouTube to watch that link. Pretty cool. So if you think about it, when we look at websites, the question is, what is the navigation, right? If I go to CNN.com, for instance, all of these are clickable links. The question is, are they images or are they text? And I can tell you that in the world of CSS, they're probably text now, because you can now make links look pretty crazy, like making them whatever color you really want them to be, giving them spacing, giving them lines, giving them all these different things. Whereas we used to use images a lot for our clickable links, and you can see that on some websites, especially if they've got a lot of features to that link. Anytime you're going to a website, like if we go to the best websites of 2020 here and just look at any of the websites that exist, and we'll go to like this one, for instance. That's just a picture of it. Just kidding. I want to go to the actual website. This is something that is far more interactive. It has a lot of JavaScript and other things in it, obviously, because it's, man, you would think my internet here at school would be way faster than this. But this is definitely going to probably have some more interactive images. And see those. So you can see here, this is actually not an image. This is JavaScript and CSS working together to create clickable links. And that's kind of fascinating when you look at websites and how they change these days. Here, let's go to find another website that's got some links that I can see. So like this one definitely has links. You can see them up at the top here in their navigation. They've got their shop, but if you click this triple line here, they've got a navigation. Now this is not, again, images. So what's really cool is that in the world of CSS, we can now create some really great things. Now this is very high level, obviously. We're still down to these beautiful links, but we can change the way that they look. And we're gonna do that over here in our navigation. So now that we've covered links, what I'm going to challenge you to do before we move forward is to create a website of your own, just a layout, so that as we do each piece in this Notes website, you're able to continue with it. So I'm going to have an introduction video to that to kind of walk you through it. But we now learned about how to link in images from our pages, and our files, how to link to websites, how to change those around, and really how to create a layout that is usable.